What is an object-oriented programming approach? Object-oriented programming approach is a new technique for writing a programs in object-oriented fashion. For example, we have 5 major categories are there. In that 5 major things are there, that is class and object, inheritance, abstraction, message passing, polymorphism. These all are different features are main features of object oriented programming approach. You have to write everything under class only. Without class we cannot write a program. So let me go for what is a class? Okay, a class is, what is a class? Tell me, students, what is a class? A class is, yes, collection of objects. A class is also known as collection of data members and what? Member functions. Okay, so in Java we will use classes only. For example, if I already tell, if I am going to develop a college management system, it consisting of multiple entities like student, faculty, department, etc. So each and every particular object or entity is consisting of collection of attributes and functions. For example, let me take student is my class name. Nothing but entity name. Student consisting of what? It consisting of some attributes, nothing but the variables. What are the variables? Roll number, name, subject marks, name, marks, etc. There are lots of attributes. What you required, please fill this. And you also having some member functions, that is accept student, display student, get marks, etc. There will be some functions also there. For example, accept is my function name. It is used to accept the details of student only. Okay, so similarly display is the function name. So display is the function that is related to student only. It only display the details of the student. So the collection of data members, these are the data members, these are the member functions. Class is the collection of data members and member functions we put into a single unit. So encapsulation, it is